Alright guys, it's Mr. H Reviews here, very much late to the party on this news, so I really do apologise. I've been away for the weekend, and although I'm able to reply to pretty much every comment, I haven't been able to record and edit. So, straight into this piece of news. We're about a month away from production set to start on next year's release of The Predator, which is helmed by Shane Black. And recently, The Hollywood Reporter, who has been very much in the know and on point with the subject, released that the Emmy Award-winning Sterling K. Brown is now in negotiations to appear in the film. This movie is continuously adding raw talent to its cast list, with the likes of Trevante Rhodes and even Keegan-Michael Key, who is in talks to join. Now, you might know Sterling K. Brown for his work on This Is Us, and of course, The People vs. O.J. Simpson. So I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think of this piece of news? Personally, I think it bodes extremely well for the future of this film franchise. Fox are taking this quite seriously. They're not hunting out major names, but they are choosing talent, and they're thinking outside the box somewhat. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you did enjoy this video, then as always, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to stay tuned for all things Predator and Alien. I've been Mr. H Reviews, and until next time, I'll catch you in the comment section.